Okay, so hello, my name is Daniel Maldonado. Welcome to this video where I will describe this AI agent implementation, and the goal of this video is to show how easy it is to create an AI agent customized to your own requirements. In this case, this agent will get the data from any file. In this specific case, we are going to use it on PDF files, and basically the agent will acquire the personality of the book, so the user can interact with this AI in order to making questions, proposing topics, ideas, or asking for assistance. So I hope you like it. Now let's go forward. As you can see, this is the user interface. Is quite simple. It's for an MVP, and the user experience is very seamless as well. So basically, any user can load its PDF file by clicking there. Let's load any file such as mastering Linux or web security for developers. Let's see. The successful connection with the OpenAI and with the API, the internal API of the Retool, depends on the size of the PDF file, because it surpasses the maximum limit. Therefore, it will not work. Now, here we can see a document summary which basically provides us a short description of the content of the file, and basically this tells us that the chat or the AI is ready to interact with you. Now let's ask anything related to this book, like what's the first step to provide a consultation over a website's security. I'm asking random stuff. You have exceeded. Well, in this case, I exceeded my daily limit of the OpenAI API, but basically you can talk with the bot or with the agent about anything related to that book or the topics book. So I went even an extra mile and tested if this application can be shared, and it was quite successful. As you can see, this is my invitation to accept. Once I click to that, the other user basically can drag and drop the file, and the assistant will be ready. So I hope you liked the video. I'm sorry for this emerging issue, but it is what it is. So thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.